Do you ever wonder how you can improve your learning outcomes? How to make sure you are studying effectively and truly understanding the material? Well, there is a framework that can help you to do just this. It is called Bloom's Taxonomy. Bloom's Taxonomy is a framework that categorizes different levels of learning. It was created by Benjamin Bloom back in the days in 1956, and it has been widely used in education ever since. The framework consists of 6 levels arranged in a pyramid. The levels are remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. Each level builds on the previous one, and they're meant to guide students and learners, as well as teachers, in the learning process. Let's take a closer look at each level. The first level is remembering. At this level, students are expected to recall information from their memory. For example, a quiz that asks you to identify the capital city of a country is testing your ability to remember information. The second level is understanding. At this level, students are expected to demonstrate comprehension of the material. The third level is applying. At this level, students are expected to use what they have learned to solve problems or complete tasks. The fourth level is analyzing. At this level, students are expected to break down complex concepts and identify their components. The fifth level is evaluating. And at this level, students are expected to make judgments about the material and defend their opinions. The final level is creating. At this level, students are expected to use what they have learned to generate new ideas and create something original. By understanding these 6 levels of learning, you can better understand your own learning process and become a more effective learner. So, next time you're studying, think about Bloom's taxonomy and how you can use it to improve your learning outcomes. If you found this video informative, as always, like this video and hopefully subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.